Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to open the Behold My Cat. This blind box is really cute. Cat lovers can't resist it at all. This series includes 9 regular figures plus 1 secret chase variant. The secret chase has the cat and little ghost swapped identities. Now the cat is holding its human little ghost. Double the cuteness. Let's open the first one. It's a Siamese cat. Quickly open it to see the real thing. Oh my god, this is absolutely adorable. The ghost cat sitter is holding its Siamese cat. This scene is so loving. The second one. I can hardly wait. Cute little blue cat. It's sitting so nicely in the little ghost's embrace. It looks so comfy and relaxed. The third one. This is my favorite one, Cat Stacker. The cat is even made of flocked materia. The fluffy vibe is fully visualized. The little ghost looks so happy. It's proudly showing off its kitty. The fourth one. This cat looks very naughty, being held in the arms while still flailing with claws. Look at the helpless look of the little ghost. Why is there such a big difference between blue cats? The fifth one. They say cats are made of water. Its flexibility is absolutely unmatched. So cute. The sixth one. Look how its body is stretched out like a stick. The little ghost looks a little chubby. Every little ghost has a different body shape. It's really detailed. The 7-1. Little white cat. This one's flocked too. It's doing the classic Maneki Neko waving pose. It's just too cute. The 8-1. This kitty is pulling off a perfect upside-down hook pose. The kitten covers its ears with its paws. What could it be thinking about? The last one. Let's see if we can hit the secret hidden figure. Oh, not really. Then we'll have the whole set. This one's flocked too. Why does it look so chubby though? Probably because its fur is too long. Put them on your fingers just like this. It's so fun, right? That's all for today's unboxing. Follow me. See you next time. Bye bye.